Very good morning, aspirants. Welcome back to our channel MPSC Easy Learning. In today's lecture dated 15th of May, we'll be covering the most important current affair questions of the day. Our session consists of 10 questions from specific Maharashtra, India and world issues. And if during the lecture, while covering any topics, a question has been asked on that previously, we'll be discussing that as well. And a small heads up, from this week we'll be starting with the current affair revisions for the upcoming Rajya Seva exam. So please stay tuned. Question number 1. Who has been recently conferred with the Govind Swarup Lifetime Achievement Award? Option A, Sanjeev Rao. Option B, Professor Jayant Narlikar. Option C, P.K. Banerjee. Or option D, Raghav Roy. Your right answer is Professor Jayant Narlikar has been conferred with the Govind Swarup Lifetime Achievement Award. And why is this award given? This award is given to the individual who has contributed to astronomy and astrophysics. And this award was instituted in 2022. So, Professor Jayant Narlikar becomes the first person to be conferred upon this award. And it is given by whom? It is given by Astronomical Society of India. And this question is extremely important for MPSC because Professor Jayant Narlikar was born in Kolhapur in Maharashtra. This is the reason why. Next question. Where is the 6th edition of Indian Ocean Conference 2023 being held? Option A, Bangladesh. Option B, India. Option C, Germany. Or option D, China. Your right answer is option A, Bangladesh. So the 6th edition of Indian Ocean Conference is being held at Bangladesh. Exactly where in Bangladesh? At Dhaka. And what is the theme? The theme is peace, prosperity and partnership. Next question. Which state celebrated Monlam Chenmo festival? Option A, Haryana. Option B, Ladakh. Option C, Jammu. Or option D, Chandigarh. Your right answer is option B, Ladakh. So Monlam Chenmo festival is celebrated at Ladakh, and in this festival all Buddhist monks come together and pray for the peace of the world. Next question. Which is the first airport in India to have a reading lounge? Option A, Mumbai. Option B, Varanasi. Option C, Bengaluru. Or option D, UP. Your right answer is option B, Varanasi. And this reading launch was inaugurated by whom? It was inaugurated by Avanish Awasthi. And it is going to have books of various young authors as well. It is established by whom? It is established by National Book Trust. And in Varanasi, it is Lal Bahadur Shastri Airport. Next question. The All India Football Federation has declared whose birth anniversary as AIFF Grassroots Day? Option A, Raghav Roy. Option B, Rani Jaiswal. Option C, P.K. Banerjee. Or option D, Ram Kumar. Your right answer is option C, P.K. Banerjee. His birth anniversary has been declared as the AIFF Grassroots Day. Next question. Which cricketer has set a new record by scoring the fastest 50 in IPL history? Option A, Raghav Roy. Option B, Yashasvi Jaiswal. Option C, P.K. Banerjee. Or option D, Sumit Mohanty. Your right answer is option B, Yashasvi Jaiswal has set a new record by scoring the fastest 50 in the IPL history. Next question. Where was COP28 held? Option A, UK. Option B, Egypt. Option C, Dubai. Or option C, Australia. The right answer is option C, Dubai. So COP28 was held in Dubai. Now we'll see certain important points about COP. A question on this has already been asked in various exams, and the format of asking this question was they had named COP 26, 27, 28, and that they are asked to match with the cities or the places where they were held. So this is the format. What is the full form of COP? The full form of COP is Conference of Parties. If you see COP26 was held at Glasgow in UK. COP27, Sharm el Sheikh in Egypt. COP28 was held in Dubai, and the upcoming, that is COP29, will be held in Australia. And in COP27, which was held in Sharm el Sheikh in Egypt, for the first time, loss and damages caused by developed countries on the developing countries were discussed, and also a concept named as greenwashing was discussed. In COP28, various health issues are going to be discussed, that too in depth. Next question. When is International Day of Families celebrated? Option A 5th May, option B 6th May, option C 15th May, or option D 9th May. Your right answer is option C 9th May. So International Day of Families is celebrated every year on the 15th of May. We'll see certain important days which we had studied in May. 1st May is celebrated as International Labour Day, also Maharashtra Formation Day, Gujarat Day, and International Labour Day is known as Kamgar Divas in Maharashtra. 5th May is celebrated as Buddha Purnima. 8th May is celebrated as World Red Cross Day. And what was the theme of World Red Cross Day? The theme was everything we do comes from the heart. 11th May is celebrated as National Technology Day. And what is the theme? The theme is School to Startups, Igniting Young Minds to Innovate. The 12th May is celebrated as International Nurses Day. The theme is Our Nurses, Our Future. 15th May is also celebrated as World Migratory Day. The theme is Water and its importance for migratory bird. Sorry, here I have forgotten to add World Migratory Bird Day. So this is the theme. Here I have added some questions from economics, Maharashtra geography, history. So इसके साथ आपका GS का भी revision होता चला जाएगा. Do let me know the answers in the comment section. We are also available on Telegram and on Instagram. If you wish, you can definitely get in touch with us. If you have liked today's lecture or you have any constructive suggestion, demands or doubts, do let us know in the comment section. We will definitely look into it. Thank you for watching. I hope you all have a great day ahead. Jai Hind.